give you the brief introduction about what we have studied in chapter number 15, that is economic development. Up till now, I have sent you in the previous video. I have given you the explanation what are the economic activities and non-economic activities. Then I have given you the explanation about what is primary sector, secondary sector, and service sector. Along with that, we have discussed what is the meaning like factors of productions are there. That is land, capital, labor, then entrepreneurship is there. Now today we will be studying from the further, that is method of allocation or allotting of resources. So we will be studying what are the different methods of allocation or allotting of resources. So it says like it is mainly done by two methods. तो ये जो allocation या allotting of resources जो है, that is mainly done by two methods, that is market mechanism and socialist mechanism. So it says like every nation strives to attain speedy economic development by making the best allocation of resources, and it is mainly done by two, that is market mechanism methods, that is market mechanisms and socialist system. Both the terms are different, and it says like they are opposite to each other. So let us see what is market mechanism. It says nations like America, Japan adopted these मतलब market mechanisms for their economic development. जो मार्केट मैकेनिज्म की जो मेथड है, राइट, जो थियरी है, वो कौन सी कंट्रीज ने एडॉप्ट किया था? तो वो बोल रहे कि नेशंस लाइक अमेरिका, जापान एडॉप्टेड दिस फॉर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हैविंग that economic development is far better than what the other countries are having. Why? Because they have accepted the market mechanisms. हम लोग देखेंगे like market mechanism में क्या क्या आता है. Then it says like market system is also called the capitalist system. In this method, the process of resource allocation is done on the basis of profit scope. मार्केट मैकेनिज्म को क्या कहते हैं कि कैपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम भी कहा जाता है, और इसमें क्या होता है कि इन दिस सिस्टम, इन द मार्केट सिस्टम, मेन फोकस या मेन गोल क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट का. दैट्स व्हाई सेज इन दिस मेथड द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसोर्स एलोकेशन इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट. इट सेज, और मार्केट मैकेनिज्म में क्या होता है कि गवर्नमेंट का इतना कोई रोल नहीं होता है, बिकॉज उनका मेन मोटिव क्या है कि प्रॉफिट कैसे भी करके उनको प्रॉफिट ही बनाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोविड-19 जो कोरोना वायरस के केसेस है, like the people all over the world are suffering from this disease corona virus. Okay, तो अमेरिका में like take an example of India, not only in India, in other parts of the world, some of the countries they have accepted about the propaganda of lockdown. मतलब उन्होंने लॉकडाउन का जो थियरी था, like जो सिस्टम था, उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया, बिकॉज उन्होंने सोचा अगर लॉकडाउन होगा तो पीपल विल नॉट मीट ईच अदर. ओके, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रॉब्लम कम होगी. बट अमेरिका ऐसी कंट्री है जिन्होंने दे डिड नॉट वांटेड टू गो फॉर द लॉकडाउन. व्हाई? बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं दे वर इन अ फियर कि अगर उन्होंने लॉकडाउन कर दिया लाइक व्हाट अदर कंट्रीज हैव डन, दैट इज आल्सो फॉर 2 मंथ्स, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनपे उनकी इकोनॉमिकली या उनके इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम या उनकी कंट्री पे इकोनॉमिकली प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगा. बिकॉज व्हाई? एज वी हैव स्टडीड लाइक जो मार्केट मैकेनिज्म थियरी हो यूएसए ने अपनाई है, बिकॉज मेन मोटो क्या है? प्रॉफिट. कुछ भी करके दे वांट टू अर्न मोर एंड मोर money. So that's why they have it says like they say okay, on one side they are suffering, people are suffering from coronavirus, but still the market system, still the market is open, the business is going on, even though on one side the cases are increasing day by day, but still their motto was to earn more and more profit. So in that it says government does not have any specific economic policy or does not have any role in this method. And further it says competition plays a vital role in the market system. Market system में competition का बहुत ही बड़ा रोल है. Okay, when there is a competition, they try to give out the best. They try to give out the best to earn the maximum of the profit. They try to target the most of the customers. They try to target the customers in a mass. Okay, because of the competitions, and they try they want to earn more of the profit. Okay, it says this competition controls the whole market like an individual hand. Individual hand, why? Because गवर्नमेंट का कुछ रोल होता नहीं, ठीक है, इन मार्केट मैकेनिज्म. बट ऑब्वियस, सो इन दिस in this it says like it is controlling the whole market individually, as the state does not interfere. This system is also known as the free economy. आपको ये भी पूछा जा सकता है कि व्हाट इज मार्केट मैकेनिज्म या व्हाट इज फ्री इकोनॉमी. तो मार्केट मैकेनिज्म को फ्री इकोनॉमी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, बिकॉज द स्टेट इज नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटरफियरेंस. Okay, and their main motive is, it says is for the profit, and it says like competition also plays the vital role in it. Now we will be studying what are the features of market mechanism system. सबसे पहले है ownership of resources of production is either individual or private. Let us come once again. Ownership of resources of production मतलब जो भी कंपनीज है या फिर जो भी इंडस्ट्रीज है, whatever they are producing, it's either individual or private. Second point, profit is at the center of economic activities in this system. But obvious, अभी जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया ना कि उनका मेन मोटो क्या है, प्रॉफिट का. So that will be at the center of attractions, because it says like it's the center of economic activities. They want to earn profit at any cost. They want either by increasing more of the production units or else increasing the number of things so that they can sell out more into the market. They can sell out into different parts of the world so they can earn more of the profit. So profit will be at the center of economic activities in this system, that is in the market system. Third, it says consumers get good opportunity of choice. Yes, when there would be increase in the productions, okay, when there would be new productions with different varieties, किसी एक productions की चीज with different of varieties, so they would be having more of the choice. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ एक ही choice के जा सकते, कोई भी एक चीज प्रोड्यूस की है with different varieties, उसी एक प्रकार का मतलब अलग अलग varieties है, so definitely consumers they will get the good opportunity of choice. Fourth point में है government interference is not there. As I said, government they have no rule, or they have no role in this market mechanism. So everything like ownership or this it is given to the private. So government has even the state is not having any kind of role in the market mechanism. Fifth point is says distribution of resources is based on profit. This is distribution of resources is based on profit. Whatever the resources which they are being using or whatever they are being distributing in terms of resources, it is mainly based on profit. Let us come to the second point one again. It is said profit is the center of economic activities in this system. So therefore mainly they are focusing on the profit in market mechanism. The sixth point it says economic decisions are taken while keeping price mechanism. It says economic decisions are taken while keeping price mechanism in hand. They keep the price, they set up the price into the mind, and they bring that price into the market. And as and when they are selling that particular product into the market, they even keep thinking about the economy. So mainly like if they are selling it into a good price or if they are selling it to the high price, when there is a competition also, okay, so the best price would be the consumers will have the opportunity of choice and they will be opting for that particular thing. So that's why it says like whatever the decisions related to economic are taken, while these are being kept in mind about the price mechanism in the mind of the people. Okay, students, let us recall quickly what we have covered of the topics today. Methods of allocating or allocation of resources. As I have said, it is mainly done only on two parts, that is market mechanism and socialist mechanism. In market mechanisms, it is said like nations like America, Japan, they have adopted the theory of market mechanism. Why? Because of their economic development, because they want to have the speedy economic development. Then I have explained to you the topic regarding the features of market mechanism. In that around there are 5 to 6 points in the features of market mechanism. In that it says the price level, the profit is at the center, the main mover is of profit. Then it says the government is the role of the government is totally negligence. The state do not take part in this market mechanisms. It says the government interference is not there. Ownership of resources of production is either individual or profit. Then it says distribution of resources is based on the profit. And the last point also it says like economic decisions are taken keeping price mechanism in their mind. We'll be ending this session over here. I will be sending you the PDF related to the topics what we have covered. Please go through it. Okay. Please solve the PDF what I will be sending, and if you have any kind of doubts or queries, we will be solving out into the live sessions. Till then, take care and goodbye.